Hello everyone, once again welcome to my channel. Now in today's video I am going to cover remaining part of string functions which I have already done in my part 1 video. If you want to check the part 1, I have already given the link in the description part. So go through it. Now before starting with this part, I just want to convey one thing that I have already started taking videos of Python also, because many students are demanding that they want to do both these software simultaneously. तो माई स्कूल की वीडियोस मैं डाल ही रही हूँ, साथ में पाइथन के वीडियोस भी मैंने अब डालना स्टार्ट कर दिया. सो इफ यू हैवंट सब्सक्राइब स्टिल, डू इट सो यू विल गेट द लेटेस्ट अपडेट. नाउ लेट्स बिगिन विद द सेकंड पार्ट. In the first video, some functions are left. These are inster function, length function, trim function, and ucase and lcase function. These are the 5 functions which are left that I am going to cover in this video. So remain with me so that we can do everything practically. मुझे पता है कि सिर्फ वर्बली एक्सप्लेन करने से फंक्शंस बच्चे नहीं कर सकते. सो इसी वीडियो में मैंने सारा कुछ प्रैक्टिकल इम्प्लीमेंटेशन भी शेयर किया है थ्रू माय लैपटॉप स्क्रीन. सो बी विद मी. Now in that, the length function, basically length means we are counting something. If I want to count number of letters in a particular string, I will use my length function. As we all know that counting starts with 1, so we are going to count with 1. Here I am giving one example, although I am going to share everything practically, so don't worry about that, but just for explanation, suppose I have written select length and in the bracket I have written technology word. It will count all the letters of technology and will be the output. Now the second function is inster function. Now what is inster function? If I want to take out the position of particular letter in a given string, जैसे मैंने कोई word लिखा है, suppose informatics practices, और मैंने उसमें से P letter की position find out करने की कोशिश की, तो for that I am having inbuilt function, that is the inster function. So here you are going to get the occurrence of second string into the first string. That is inster function. I have covered many examples for this also, so it will be a very easy function for you. Now the next function is lcase, ucase, as name suggests. Lcase means lower, ucase means upper. That means if you want to convert all the lowercase letters into the uppercase letters, or all the uppercase letters into the lowercase letters, you will use your lcase and ucase function. Now the last most important function, which is trim function. I think this function will be more clear to you if I do it practically. Basically the word trimming means what? If we what we are doing, अगर हम बाल भी कटवाने जा रहे हैं तो हम क्या कह रहे हैं? हेड ट्रिम करवा रहे हैं. Same way, if in a word you want to trim something, basically the spaces from left and right hand side, what you will do? You will use trim function. With trim we have lots of variation, like L trim for removing spaces from left hand side, R trim for removing spaces from right hand side, and trim is already removing spaces from both the sides, so no issues in that. Along with this, we can use leading and trailing, these two variations with trim functions. Now I think I have done my explanation part. Now let's begin with the practical part, so all the concept will be much clear to you. Thank you for now. Now continue with practicals. Okay, now let's try all the functions practically which are left in our string class. The next function that I am going to discuss, that is a inster function. Inster function means we are going to find out position of a string in a given string. Let's see with the example. Here I am writing select inster. Inster matlab in string. Here we are going to take out the string. So here I am writing, suppose I am writing here hello world, and I want to find out the position of L from my string hello world. So what I will do, I will write here again in, because this is also a string. This way this L will be searched in this particular string, the position. That means we are going to get the answer in numeric form. यहाँ पे मैं L को फाइंड आउट करूँगी कि हेलो वर्ल्ड में L कहाँ पे. नाउ देर आर 3 L in my string. In hello it is available on third and fourth position, and in world again 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 position. So third, 4 and 9 position we are getting L, but inster function will give you output as 3, as it will show you the first occurrence of L in your word. तो यहाँ पे L हमें थर्ड पोजीशन पे मिल रहा है, so my answer will be 3. I am taking one more example. In place of hello world, I am writing here corporate floor. corporate floor, and here I'm finding the word or. So what will happen? Now the or we are getting here, then again here, then again here. Three times we are getting this or word, but it will again find out the first occurrence, that is on the second position. We are not going to write 2 and 3. The output will be 2, because in exam we are going to get the question predict the output. And suppose this is the question, you will write your answer as 2, not 2 and 3. Because on the second position we are searching or only, but it starts with 2, so the answer will be 2. Again, inster function can be work on a value which is not in the particular string. जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे z ले लिया, z is not there in corporate floor, so the answer what we are going to get, that will be 0, because it is not available from any position starting with 1. तो ये 0 इसका आंसर आएगा, तो ये भी हमें क्लियर रखना है. अगेन इफ आई एम अप्लाइंग दिस इंस्टर फंक्शन ऑन एनी ऑफ द फील्ड, what I will do, I will write the name of field on I want to apply. Here I am applying on the it was pressed by mistake. I am writing again, select insert, and then here I am writing the name of field, that is dname, and in dname I am searching suppose a letter. Marketing we are having, so I am writing here A, and again don't forget to write the table name. So from department, because it is available in department field and it is already saved in my laptop, and this way I am getting the position of a letter in my dname field. Now the command I am writing here, select star from department, to check what I am getting. And I was searching A. In accounting, A I am getting on first position, so the output is 1. In research on fifth position, so the output here is 5. Same way for 2, sales and operations at the position 5. So again, so this way we are getting instant output. In exam there was a question, write a function which gives occurrence of second string in the first string. So here you have to identify the function name. So the answer was inster. तो ऐसे भी आपको याद रखना है. If you given a situation, according to this situation you have to identify which function is most appropriate. So this way here was the answer inster. Now the next function is trim. Now on fresh screen, I'm explaining you the variation of trim function. Now with trim function, we can remove particular words also from left and right side along with both the sides. What I will do, I will write select trim, and in the bracket I will write leading. Leading means from left hand side. Suppose I want to remove the letters A, which was given in a word from, and then I have written here A and hello. मुझे ये ट्रिपल ए हेलो में से रिमूव करना है, जो मैंने लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड दोनों तरफ दे रखा है. आई विल यूज़ ट्रिम. ट्रिम के साथ मुझे लीडिंग यूज़ करना है, तो वो स्टार्टिंग के ट्रिपल ए यहाँ से रिमूव कर देगा, विच आई कैन सी. सेम वे फॉर ट्रेलिंग. अगर मैं यहाँ पे ट्रेलिंग करूँ तो ये होगा कि राइट हैंड साइड के रिमूव हो जाएंगे. Now I am making one more change. In place of triple A, I am writing here, so it will search the A from right hand side and it can remove like this also. But if I am writing in place of this, I am writing here डबल ए इन प्लेस ऑफ ट्रिपल ए और सिंगल ए. सिंगल ए से भी वो ए नून के रिमूव कर देगा, ट्रिपल ए से वो तीनों ए रिमूव कर देगा. बट इफ आई हैव रिटन डबल ए, व्हाट विल हैपन? इट विल रिमूव ओनली 2A. सिंगल ए से तो वो तीनों रिमूव कर रहा था, लेकिन डबल ए से वो सिर्फ डबल ही रिमूव करेगा. एक का मीनिंग होता है कि उस जैसे सब कुछ हटा दो. 3 आपने स्पेसिफाई कर दिया या 2 आपने स्पेसिफाई किया तो वो उतने ही रिमूव करेगा. दैट इज़ द यूज़ ऑफ ट्रेलिंग फंक्शन. Now if I want to remove both the A's simultaneously, what I will do, after trim function I will write both, and in both I will write this way. I will remove double A from both the sides. Fine. So trim with leading, trim with trailing, and trim with both. These are the variation in trim function along with removing of space from both the sides. Now the last function is left in our string class, that is the left function. Left function means we are doing counting. If I want to count the number of letters, I will write select length, and then in the bracket I will write any letters here, any word basically. Suppose I am writing the name of subject, that is informatics practices, और मुझे इसकी लेंथ पता करनी है. I will write like this. Same way, I can apply all the functions of string class on table also. तो जो फंक्शन मैंने प्रैक्टिकली टेबल पे नहीं भी अप्लाई किए, आप उसको ज़रूर ट्राई करना. दैट विल बी योर होमवर्क. अब यहाँ पे मैंने कर दिया डी नेम. मुझे डी नेम से चाहिए. एंड अगेन डोंट फॉरगेट टू राइट द नेम ऑफ टेबल फ्रॉम डिपार्टमेंट, एंड दिस वे इट विल काउंट all the letters of department table T name field. MySQL फंक्शन इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज इन 12th क्लास अभी जो हमारा सिलेबस भी रिड्यूस्ड हुआ है, मोस्ट ऑफ द वेटेज इज़ गिवन टू MySQL फंक्शंस. तो MySQL फंक्शंस आपको बहुत अच्छे से कवर अप करना है टू स्कोर गुड मार्क्स इन इंफॉर्मेटिक्स प्रैक्टिसेस एंड in your computer science subject. Thank you for now. If you really like this video, don't forget to subscribe it, like it, and share it with your friends. Thank you for now, and we will meet in next video with aggregate functions.